A very good Wednesday morning to everyone out there. Landon here with you to bring you your latest weather forecast, courtesy of Ohio Valley Insurance. Look right there on our doorstep, folks, approaching from the west. We got cloud cover that's going to be on the increase as we progress throughout this Wednesday. This is ahead of our next weather maker that's going to be bringing rain showers to our vicinity Thursday into Friday, along with brisk northwesterly winds and a major cold shot that is all set to follow. Jumping over here and taking a look over the Lover's Lane Soccer Complex and the Loops Trails, we can already see some of the mid and high level cloud cover already streaming in here from the west, not allowing for much in the form of sunshine this morning. Same can be said overlooking the Beech Tree News Sky Cam off to the north and west from Morgantown. We're going to be dealing with a mix of sun and clouds throughout the day, folks. More cloud cover will be arriving this afternoon, but that should not prevent high temperatures from skyrocketing up well above average for another day. Speaking of those temperature readings, not too bad kicking things off, hanging out right around the mid and upper 50s region wide. We're going to drop kick these all the way up to the mid 80s again this afternoon. Folks, we're talking some 5 to 10 degrees above average, but this will be the final day of it. So soak in that vitamin D while you can as well with the rain and cloud cover that's going to be taking over rather quickly. Taking a look here at the latest surface map, high pressure is going to keep us dry for one more day. That's going to continue to slide and scoot off to the east. That's going to allow for this cold front to come steamrolling in here out of the north and west, thus resulting in the transition days of the rain showers both Thursday and Friday before that big cold shot arrives throughout the weekend. So let's get a better idea. Let's take a look at the big picture and break it down for you of how these things are going to be unfolding here over the next 48 hours or so. You can see we'll work throughout today. Those rain showers are going to remain on our doorstep with that high pressure nudging off to the east. Now we're going to hold off on the rain chances, folks, until roughly sunrise or mid-morning on Thursday. They should be scattered and rather light to moderate in nature. And then we're going to get into the latter part of our Thursday on into Friday, and you kind of get the idea of what we're going to be dealing with. We got this low pressure system located up in Canada. We got that monster cold front tracking all the way down, all the way as far south as Texas. As that plows through here, folks, you can see the moisture coming in. Those light to moderate rain showers will be rather pesky and annoying with those breezy, gusty winds coming along with it. So simply put, folks, Thursday into Friday is not going to be nice in the weather department, all right? Take a look off to the north and west behind that cold front. These northwest winds are going to be blasting in here, gusting upwards of 15 to perhaps even 25, maybe even 30 miles an hour at times. This is going to be bringing those temperatures down. That is a promise. So let's get over here and let's focus in on when we can expect the rain chances to arrive. We go throughout today, folks, just the uptick in cloud cover with more moisture coming available. Then we're going to work throughout the overnight. Clouds continue to thicken up, and then look right here. We are right at the sunrise time frame for our Thursday morning. As we work throughout our Thursday, scattered rain chances take over, continuing throughout the afternoon, continuing throughout the overnight. And here we are looking at the early part of our Friday as well, with these lingering rain chances continuing. These brisk northwest winds, folks, are going to be present, and those could help get a few more lingering scattered showers going throughout the day on Friday. And then finally, folks, as we progress all the way into our Friday evening into Saturday morning, we look to dry out, but again, those brisk northwest winds will be present. It's going to be a drastic change in the weather conditions that we have been experiencing. That is a promise. Total rainfall amounts coming along with this on the cusp of roughly 1/4 of an inch up to 1/2 an inch or so. Can't be rolled out. Some localized areas might see even more, but we're not looking at a lot of moisture being available. So whenever the rain showers get out of here, some of us might get in on 1/10 of an inch, others closer to 1/2 an inch or even a little bit better. The range will be far and wide there as we work over the next few days. Taking a look out over the Atlantic, the tropics have remained quiet for the most part, but we still have got Tropical Storm Felipe that is rocking and rolling. This is expected to pinwheel off to the north and then cut off to the north and west Looks like it could be making landfall in the far northeast United States at some point late Saturday into early Sunday. Getting back here closer to home, folks, you can't argue with this 5-day weather forecast. For today, clouds thickening up as we work throughout it, highs in the mid and upper 80s. With more cloud cover and rain showers present, coinciding with those brisk northwesterly winds, highs on Thursday, mid to upper 70s, Friday, low to mid 70s, and then the bottom drops out. That upper level trough axis, folks, will work through here Friday night into early Saturday morning, bringing that reinforcing shot of colder air, upper 50s to lower 60s for highs both Saturday and Sunday. Overnight lows potentially dipping down into the 30s in some locations. Please be aware both Saturday night and Sunday night for the opportunity of some patchy frost. All right, we're going to go ahead and throw it out there. You got any sensitive vegetation out there? Be aware of it, protect it, take care of it as the transition to fall continues. That'll wrap up your Wednesday morning Weather Not Bowling Green weather forecast, brought to you by Ohio Valley Insurance. You all take care of yourselves and each other. Have a phenomenal Wednesday.